What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another episode. Let me put my phone away. This week, this episode, we have something really fun, really cool to show you guys. I have here our Aero Dynamics splitter, side skirt liner, whatever you call it. We have this in white now and red. Before we had the black one and a gold one. Black is a very common one. But if you want to, make your car pop a little more, these are the colors everyone's been requesting. So due to high demand, they're finally here after like a year. So on our car, I'm gonna go with the red. Red decal, red banner, red. But I think it'll look pretty sick. For the white, we might leave it. Maybe another time if you ever change the car to a different color or whatever. But anyway, so for those who don't know, they're really easy to install. This video will be directly teaching you how to put this on. So they come in this color with 3M double-sided tape inside already. It's very high quality. So all I gotta do is go over any of your Aeroflow products, open up the ends, tuck it in like so, and you just pretty much apply on. Man, this looks pretty sick already. I'm excited. So I'm gonna do this with the front and the side. You could do a rear diffuser too. I see some customers, you can modify it, cut it, length, whatever, shorten it, extend it. You're good to go. So yeah, link for the product is in the bio below. So check it out and then enjoy the B-roll. All right, guys. So here it is. This is the red splitter liner. Fun little DIY if you're bored at home. It took me like 10 minutes to put it on. But I think it definitely made the car pop that much more. Let me know what you guys think. Should I went with the white instead or the red? Even though I didn't put the white one on, but I think white matches the banner, the wheels, everything looks good. So, and also since I'm here, let's talk about some plans with the car. The next phase we're gonna do. So right off the back, the front, Cobb just released. They're not released, but they're working on their Cobb access port right now. So I'm very excited for that. We're gonna be one of the first few to grab that. Along with the Cobb out, we might just get the downpipe too. So we don't know yet. So we're thinking about that. As far as exterior wise, we do have the front carbon fiber lip coming in that we're gonna put on. Carbon fiber side skirts. And we have the vortex generator, carbon fiber. And then the duct bus spoiler, carbon fiber. So a lot of carbon fiber stuff. I also wanna update you guys too, since the car's been sitting in the sun for a good week now. I'm gonna go back to Elite Wraps and touch up some CPU stuff. So when you wrap a car, sometimes stuff do come off due to heat. So with Elite Wraps, the warranty is like super awesome. So they're gonna have me patch some stuff up. I'm also getting another trunk. I ordered a stock trunk from Subaru, which we're gonna use for like a wingless setup. I like the wing, don't get me wrong, it looks beautiful, but I think I'm gonna go for a wingless setup just to see how it is. Exhaust, you already know, Remark USA, hooked it up. We're good on the exhaust so far. Suspension, ISC, we're good right now. We're not gonna change anything. Maybe if some airless suspension comes out, we're gonna do that. Aside from that, that's pretty much it. Oh, wheels, I'm gonna go over the wheels again. I see a lot of comments asking what the wheel size. 18 by 10 plus 30. All right. 18 by 10 plus 30, 255, 35, 18. Super sick, can't go with SLs. No more wheels, guys, like I said, but we might have one set of wheels coming in. We'll stay tuned for that. Interior wise, we have nothing so far. We are gonna get these bucket seats changed out. We're working with a company. I'm sure I brought up in the past video, so we're finalizing on that. Bucket seats, carbon fiber steering wheel, and then some more interior carbon fiber stuff. I do have a recall on the vehicle, so we can take that into the dealership and get that checked out. So I don't know what that is, but Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me pop the hood for you guys real quick. Oh, we have our spacers finally coming in. Our 20mm spacers. They're gonna come in soon. Under the engine bay, not much here. Possibly do an intake. We have the boom bar racing already. You guys already know that. The bypass valve, so we'll probably get an intake. Intercooler upgrade. We don't know yet. Maybe a new one. I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Not much you can do to the car right now, guys. Just waiting for some performance parts. Try to make some real big boy power. So other than that, yeah. Thanks for tuning in, guys. This is a really short video today. Remember, 10K subscribers. We're getting a free set of wheels. So it's hot. So I'm gonna sign out. Catch you guys next time.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing, I'm always thankful for